Hello everyone. Question number 6 of worksheet 3 from chapter 3. Question 6 is express as rational number in its lowest term. Means first you will convert it in rational number, means p by q form, and then you will convert it in lowest term, means in standard form. So let's go for the question. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5, these two terms are in division. So you will write it like this, 6.25 upon 0.25. So what should be next step now? You have to remove the decimal. So while removing the decimal, I think you must be aware of the method. So 625 upon 100 multiply in the denominator 25 and its 100 will be on the upper side, so that you can cancel the term here, and this and 625 will be cancelled out. So you will be getting 25. So 1 by 5, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 25. Now what should be next step to solve it further? You will take its LCM. Take its LCM, divide and multiply. So divide and multiply. So you will be getting this as a answer. So in next step, add them together, 257 upon 10. Now in this case you will not convert it in decimal, because here it has been asked that you will express it in the form of rational number and in lowest term. So you will keep the answer in rational form. Now you have to check whether you can cancel these two terms. No, we can't cancel these two terms. So this would be the final answer. Now come to the second part. In second part, the question is again we have to do the multiplication. You have to solve the bracket which is in the form of multiplication. So what will you do? 8.1 multiply 2.7. So you will be getting 21.87. Divide 0.0 now and 9. So this is same as the previous question. So what will you do? What should be next step? You will write it in the division form, 21.87 upon 0.09. So in next step, you will remove the decimal. So 2187 upon 100 multiply in the denominator 9 and 100 will be on the upper side. So again this would be cancelled out, and let's see whether we can cancel these two terms. Yes, we can cancel it. 2187 divided by 9. So we will be getting as 243. So rest 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 243. What should be next step now? क्या होगा? Take its LCM. So LCM will be 20. So 8 minus 5 plus 4860. This would be the term you will get over here. Divide and multiply. Now solve it further. So you will be getting 4863 upon 20. 4863 upon 20. Again this term cannot be cancelled out further. And if you will observe, these two terms are in rational form. Next part. In third part, again you have to solve the bracket first. So 1.44 multiply 144 divided by 12. So it would be 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. What should be next step according to the board mass? Which part you will solve it first? This bracket you will solve it first. Sorry, this multiplication you will solve it first. So 144 multiply 12. 1728. Now you have to put the decimal. So decimal will come over here. So 0.225 plus 3.276. What should be the next step now? Take positive terms together and add it. 17.28 plus 3.276. 3.276. So you would be getting 20.556. 7.28 plus 3.276, you will be getting 20.556 minus 0.225. So now you have to do the subtraction, minus 0.225. So after doing the subtraction, let's see what answer we will be getting. 20.331. But the question is that you have to write it in rational form. This is not in the rational form. So what should be the next step? Remove the decimal and write it in the rational form. After decimal there are 3 digits, so 3 zeros will come here. And it is already in the standard form. Come to fourth part. What will you do in fourth part? In fourth part, you will write the question again to solve the multiplication first. So, the term will be cancelled out, 0.007. So, you will write 0.007 plus 3 upon 8 minus 7 by 20. What should be next step now? What should be next step? Now convert this 7 in the, convert this decimal in the standard form or in rational form. So 7 upon 1000, 3 upon 8 minus 7 by 20. Next step, take its LCM. So 1000 would be the LCM. So 7 plus. Now divide 1000 by 8, divide and multiply. So you would be getting 125. Now multiply 125 with 3. So it would be 375 minus 1000 divided by 20. What will you get? 50, and 50 multiply 7. So 350. Now next step, what it should be? Add these two terms together. These two terms together. So it would be 382. 382 minus 350 upon 1000. 382 minus 350 upon 1000. So next step, what should be the next step now? Subtract it. Subtract it. So 382 minus 350. So it should be 32 upon 1000. Now tell me whether it is in the lowest form? No, it is not in the lowest form. So we can convert it in the lowest form. It goes with 8, 8, 4, and here we will get 125. So the answer would be 4 upon 125. I think this part is clear to all of you. Come to the next part. In next part, what you have to do first? क्या करना होगा? According to the board mass, you have to multiply the terms first. So 0.16 multiply 5. So it would be 0.80 minus 0.52 plus 8.263. In next step, these two are positive terms, so add them together. So it would be 3, 6, 9.063. 9.063 minus 0.52 minus 0.52. Now solve these two terms together by doing the subtraction. So the term which you will be getting as what it should be 8.543. This you will get. Now again you have to write it in rational form. So 8543 upon 1000. Don't forget to write it in the rational form. And again this is in the standard form since we can't cancel the term. Next one. In sixth part, look, these two terms are in multiplication, these two are in multiplication, and these two are in multiplication. And you know it very well, in multiplication, if the terms are in multiplication, then we can cancel the terms if it is possible. So let's see, can we cancel the terms here? Yes, this can be cancelled out, and here this can be cancelled out. Now next step, multiply upper with upper. So 3 upon 10 plus 1 upon 50 minus 1 upon 25. Now let's see what LCM we will get it. Next step, you have to take its LCM. So 5, 10, 5, then 50 would be the LCM. So 50 LCM, divide and multiply 15 plus 1 minus 2. Next step, 15 plus 1, 16 minus 2 upon 50. Next step, what it should be? 14 upon 50. So should we end the question here itself? No, because this can be cancelled out further. So it goes with the 2. Sorry, it goes with the 2, 7 and 25. So 7 by 25 would be the answer. I hope all these parts of question number 6 is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.